Hello, this is Vlad from Almco Plumbing, and today we do sewer replacement in the house. We do pipe bursting and do replace it drain for one bathroom in the house. With this pipe bursting, we pull new pipe under the house all the way to the bathroom, and we don't have jackhammer kitchen, living room, everything is safe, just one hole in the bathroom and one hole outside, and you have new pipe under whole house. Outside, we have to dig in, trenches the line, replace the sewer main line and go all the way and connect it to the city, and it's over the 5 feet down, and then install two-way cleanouts for you have access on the future if you need to do any service. Inside, we have jackhammer, open the floor, remove the old pipe and install new pipe for vanity, for kitchen, for laundry on the back and for toilet. And this is all what inside. Then this all is backfill, and at the end just pour concrete. We do just rough patch, no drywall patch. Thank you if you watched this video all the way to the end. Subscribe the channel and see new video and new job what we done in San Diego.